All right, guys, I'm back. I apologize about that. I did forget that with the screencast, they only allow you a certain amount of time, and I did a lot of talking. So here's the other part of your assignment. What I want you to do is actually talk to somebody, specifically an adult, not a classmate, in your life and ask them the following questions. You're going to post your answers, or I was explaining, I'm sorry. Instead of posting your answers on Google Classroom in a private comment, I was explaining I would like you to put all of your assignments into one Google Doc. So you will post the pictures. Take the pictures, put them inside of a Google Doc. You will then go ahead and answer the question from the previous slide. And then here, these 4 questions, you're going to just let me know who was the adult. Was it your grandmother? Was it your neighbor? Was it your youth pastor? Was it another teacher here at Alvin High School? And you're going to ask them these questions. For your current career or job, is taking notes an important part of the job? And I'm going to ask you guys to try to elaborate on that. So if they say yes, well, can you explain? Like, well, why is it an important part of your job? If they say no, maybe even ask them, do you think it should be a part of your job? What kinds of notes do you usually take at work? Do you ever take notes for anything else besides work? Do they go to school themselves? Are they in a church study group or Bible study? So what else might they take notes for that's not related to work? And ask them, why do they think note-taking helps or does not help them personally? Okay, so you'll just tell me who the adult is, ask them these questions, and then give me the response. So one more time, to be clear, I apologize. Google Doc. Make sure your name is on the Google Doc. Please upload your pictures from the previous video's assignments. Answer the question that I told you about on the previous slide, and then put the answers to these questions. And please let me know who you spoke with. All right, guys, please follow up. Let me know if you have questions, and we will be talking more detailed about focus notes tomorrow. Bye-bye.